Welcome to Dr. T's Cookbook of Awesomeness, where we cook fun, flavorful, and easy recipes and have an awesome time doing it. Today, we are making a coconut chicken curry and chicken-flavored basmati rice. Have you ever wanted to try Indian cooking but thought it was just too exotic for you to try at home? Well, I have an easy recipe for you to try that can be done in only one pot. And it can be cooked on the stove, in an Instant Pot, or even in a slow cooker. So this is my coconut curry chicken recipe and bonus chicken flavored rice. So let's cook something awesome together. Here are the ingredients. First off, we have the flesh of a murdered chicken, about 1 pound of chicken boob. However, if the murder of chickens weighs heavily on your conscience, feel free to substitute potatoes or some other vegetable. We also have 1 can of tomato paste, 6 ounces, a can of full-fat coconut milk, garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. We have chicken stock to help thin out our mixture if needed. We have garlic and onion and a trio of spices, chili powder, garam masala, and curry powder. For our rice, we have basmati rice, chicken bouillon, and turmeric. That's it. Now let's get down to cooking. Let's start off with a little bit of oil for lubrication. This is extra virgin olive oil. If you want to use canola oil or vegetable oil, that's fine too. We're going to sweat out some onion and some garlic. And we'll make sure to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll cook those onions until they turn translucent, and then we'll add in the rest of our spices. We want to heat these spices until they become fragrant and start to release their oils. Of these spices, the chili powder is the only one that could be considered hot if you're white. So feel free to dial back on the chili powder if you need to. Next, we'll add in the tomato paste. We want to make sure that we cook the rawness out of this tomato paste. So get it in there, mix it around, and let it cook for a couple minutes. Next up is the full-fat coconut milk. You'll notice that there's the white fatty part that's nice and creamy, and then there's going to be a watery part. That's normal. Just go ahead and get that in there and mix it thoroughly. We always want to remember to season throughout our cooking, and so we're going to add a little more salt and pepper. And we're going to thin out our mixture a little bit with that chicken stock to get the right consistency. We're adding in our garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, a great source of protein, and our chicken, and get that all thoroughly mixed up. We're pretty much done here. We're going to set this for high pressure and cook for about 15 minutes. If you're on the stovetop, just let it simmer on low for about an hour. And if you want to do this in the slow cooker, you'll transfer your mixture now to a slow cooker and you can put it on low for about 4 to 6 hours. Now to begin our rice, we first want to rinse the excess starch off of the rice. You'll run it under cold water and agitate a little bit. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but it really doesn't mind. And you'll continue to do this until the water coming out the bottom is clear and no longer cloudy. Now let's cook that rice. I'm again going to use a Instant Pot type pressure cooker. This is the quickest and easiest method to cook rice that I've found, but feel free to cook it in the traditional manner on the stovetop or in a traditional rice cooker. Here I'm just adding our turmeric and our chicken bouillon and some salt in with the rice and the water. We'll give it a thorough mix And once everything is mostly dissolved, we'll put on the lid, set it to high pressure, and cook for exactly 6 minutes. An hour 15 minutes has passed. Here is our completed coconut chicken curry. This curry not only has bold flavors, it is also very fragrant. And taking a look at our rice, we can see that bold yellow color from that turmeric. And the chicken bouillon offers a really great flavor that's better than your plain old white rice. I hope you've been inspired to try a dish that might be outside your comfort zone. People think of Indian food and they automatically think that it's going to be spicy and not agree with it. But I can assure you this will not burn your butthole on the way out. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. But until next time, stay awesome.